aye de bro. Na se say there is a full crowd. Na emu aye de. Na sa new Freddy's Corner home appliance center no. And also aba e de amount e wo tiptoe lane down hono na. And to be patch first 1,000 customers are mobeba. Na mobile window shopping keke. Minka so koto ukoye window shopping keke. Ubetimi enya achede e free mo. Etishen so sa. Na Freddy's Corner and a authentic and quality mobile phone shop. And then they were the home appliances so attach them out. Now you were appliances from our brands like Samsung, Skyward, TCL, West Point, just a baby phones in Infinix, Huawei, iPhones, Media, Nokia, baby na. Brand budget television set, air conditioners, mobile phones, laptops, fridges, stabilizers, CCTV cameras, affairs where mobile phone accessories, computer hard drives, gas cookers, nabi ewo. Etibomodiana other branches no Unauthorized next to a Unauthorized restaurant and our fair Tamayo between casino and community one police station. Our fair Holy Gardens and so you war behind Holy Gardens police station Kwame Nkrumah Circle and our Spinkters here back Bugas Furniture Kumasi or Prempeh the 2nd Avenue yene OGNTC building it didn't and our Kumasi one our best and we are Hapa Road where do me a band stand big band head office no a bang a city light to Kokomlemle with secure car park. Obefra 0241 687777 and I'll face 020 068 0006. Now on the Freddy's Corner. Action and come on. Mommy boat. And then the I really a boy. Now, what's it then, Echo?
So, Brajeri, I don't know why you will do this. It's a Thursday.
Oh, it's a Thursday. Unfortunately, we won't be able to activate the phone lines today.
Okay, then let me share a few stories. And
all right.
I bounce like a ball.
All right, let's do that.
So, first, congratulations to Lydia Forson. She's been nominated for E-People's Choice Awards as African Social Star category.
Wow.
So, congratulations, a very big one because it's never happened that a Ghanaian got nomination.
Oh, okay.
It's an international award. So for her to be recognized, we are very happy and proud of her. So congratulations to actress Lydia Forson for that nomination.
Right.
And then let me congratulate AY Poyo too. You know AY Poyo? I am a gut. May I punch it? That boy is a punch it. Yes, he got featured on BBC.
Wow.
Yes, and that's also a big one. You know, Ghanaians, we are doing well, Brajeri.
Yeah.
We are doing well.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Becca says she wants to bow out of active music.
Why?
So her own master. She said she's now married and she wants to concentrate more on her family. So she's bowing out of music. And before she does, she wants to come out with an album, and it's going to be all female.
Oh, okay.
So we should be expecting more of our female musicians on that album. But there are more stories. If you want more, get to Adom Online, and then you can read the stories for yourself. My name is Mami Boatma, the Fancy Doll, President for the Brothers and Sisters Association. I'm done.
All right, thank you so much, Mommy Boat. So that was it. Fella brought to us by Vodafone. Vodafone saying can't trust us to say we use Vodafone cash. Edison this guy the more Vodafone cash so a free and Joe and I'll use Vodafone cash to send this guy the other networks and so a free and Joe it about your switching a bright Vodafone what I say because Vodafone they say we need each other down. The future is exciting. Ready? Happy birthday.
Love affair.
Going out to the CEO of Highway Joint.
But there's one thing
Angie.
Was the conversation recorded?
Titigu Junction Hormone from Charles. And then from Queen Emma Music. We wishing our cherished fans a happy new man. Okay. Your friends you me back Sisia na me no ya DB and say why.
It's tasty and delicious. I am about the pizza. Every day and every night I want about the pizza. It's hot.
For the tastiest pizzas, come to Papa's Pizza. We serve it hot from the oven, just how you want it and anytime you want it.